Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing very well. My name is Adnan Ali, your mentor. See, today we are going to discuss a very important question: how to crack a technical interview in 2024 or 2025 for the batch who are going to sit for placement this year, who do not know where to start their preparation from, or who are in the midway but do not know in which direction they have to go. This video is for you. Please hold on for the end of the video. You'll learn some great valuable insights. First of all, let me get this straight. I won't sugarcoat things for you. I'll tell you what the reality is actually about. See, listen, it's not 2016 or 2018 the way people used to learn C language, basic programming, 10, 20 programs done, sorted, got placed, boom. No, it's not the case right now. As you can see, due to recession and boom of AI, automated tools like ChatGPT, all of those, the placements have gone low, very low. Trust me, 2024 batch was the worst for the placements in the last 16 years. You can search online regarding this data. It is worst in the last 16 years, the IT sector hirings. There was no hiring from Wipro and multiple mass hiring companies as well. And people who hired as well, they have hired only 20-30% of which they used to hire previously. Why is this? Why is this market so hard nowadays? Because of the competition. They want only skilled people. IT companies want only skilled people. How you can become skilled? Using this is the list which I personally used to crack interviews, and by God's grace I have cracked couple of interviews. I am affiliated with this company InternCall as well, and other 3 or 4 offers I'm currently holding. I don't want to brag about those, but yeah, these are the things which I have learned personally. Not all of those, but I'll guide you through and connect the dots how it helps you. Okay. First thing, one, programming language. It can be C, C++, or Python or Java. Select among these 3 or 4 languages. I personally have learned Python because of the boom of AI and its applications in web development using Python Django framework, in data science, in AI ML, in IoT, all of those. Since it comes combinedly in all, and I love exploring new technologies, this Python one programming language has helped me look out at different things. Okay. Now coming to technology, to stand out from others, you must be skillful enough to learn this technology and do some good projects. With good projects, I mean real world problem solving, problem solving projects. It can be web development website, it can be data science, data analytics dashboard, it can be some kind of chatbot using AI or IoT or cyber security, or even you can go for cloud. Cloud is also not it is not coding, but yeah, it is very important in IT sector. It can be AWS cloud or Microsoft Azure cloud. Do the certification, that's very important. Next thing is two good projects. It can be your academic projects like minor or major, or based on your interest which you have learned online and executed in this technology. This will help you and boost your resume. That's very important. This helps you stand out from others. Okay, this person has an experience of web development and has created some canteen management system website to solve the real world problem. So person one, person two, it automatically differentiates between it. Now, okay, this was about technology certifications and all. Next thing is DSA. What this DSA is actually about? It's very important for you to get placed in these years. What is DSA? It is logic building. It's nothing but logic building. You are given some problem, and the interviewer will test. Okay, is this person able to tackle that problem using programming? For this, you have to have some fundamental knowledge of for loops, if else conditions, all of those. No need to go for high level DSA. For aiming 10 plus LPA package, you can go for graph, dynamic programming, and backtracking, all of those advanced concepts. For 6 to 8 LPA or 4 to 6 LPA, it's enough for you to go until trees. I'll come to that. I'll come to that at the end of video. For now, remember, data structures and algorithms is must for you to get placed, because in an interview you will be asked a program to write or solve or compile in the real time as well. That's where this DSA helps you. Next thing, for the people who are from CSE background or related background, they will know what is the importance of this DBMS, SQL, and OOPS is actually about. For the people who are from non-technical background, don't worry, it comes under a core subject of CSE which is used in building projects. That's why this DBMS, SQL, and object-oriented programming questions are must asked in the interview. They are very frequently asked. It can be what is normalization, what are DML commands, what are DDL commands, what is DBMS, what is difference between SQL, MySQL, different stuff. Object-oriented programming, what are classes, objects, what are the 4 pillars of OOPS, what is the difference between runtime polymorphism, compiled type polymorphism, different things. These are very must, and I don't want you to learn all the subject. I want you to learn about interview questions. That's enough for you. And okay, you have done all of this, you have checked box, you have ticked all of these stuff. But what is this? What is this? This is very important. good and simple resume. Okay, you have learned stuff, you are skillful enough, but you are unable to project them in a right way. Do not make a wedding card with a photo on top. Do not make such kind of resumes. Your resume must be simple, it must be clean, it must be easily readable, of only 1 to 2 papers. Do not make it a 3 4 pages lengthy stuff. Okay, you are skillful enough, you have done good projects, you have done internships and all of those, but do not dump all of those in the resume. Tailor your resume based on your company which you are applying. Understood? That's why it's very important to crisp or tailor your resume based on your projects. I'll come to this in our sessions. Yeah, where can you learn all of this? That's the question, right? Okay, you I have told you, you have to check box all of this, you have to learn all of this. Few people know a few things here, a few people, for a few people it is completely new. But where to learn all of this? That's where I have made this video for. If you want to learn from me personally, I'm me with InternCall and one of my colleague, we are launching a new course regarding internship plus placement preparation. You can learn this technology, 2 months of training in this technology. You can complete this minor and major project over there. If you are completely new to this technology as well, then we'll go from scratch and then learn this as well. Coming to DSA, we'll solve 100 plus DSA questions which are asked in interviews, not those of dynamic programming, not those of backtracking or advanced stuff which are not being asked in the interviews up to the package which we can crack in these coming months. No, we are going to solve 100 plus DSA questions which are very frequently asked in interviews, and how to, okay, if you solve this pattern of these 100 questions, if even a new question arrives you can easily think and apply the logics which you have learned. I'll personally deal with the DSA classes as well, so you can enroll if you wish. And again, we'll provide you with the resources. We will have special sessions on DBMS and SQL class, what is database management system, how things work. We'll discuss about different SQL queries, what are the interview asked questions on SQL, creating a table, inserting data into table, retrieving based on some conditions, and multiple things. Oops concepts, frequently asked interview questions. There are like 30 to 40 list of questions that we'll discuss. I personally will come and teach you with the class as well. Now, the most important part is this resume building. As I have been telling, if you are skillful enough, and again, if you do not have a proper resume, you won't even clear the first round. That's why we'll have a workshop on the resume building as well. So I'll tell you the details of all of those in the next minute. Before unveiling our price and what course we are offering, I would like to show a few companies whose training are top notch, but what are the prices they offer the courses at, and what is the syllabus? Fundamental concepts of programming, data types and variables, input output, problem solving, basic things, string manipulation, and basics of DSA. Trust me, these are very basic things for which these people are charging the amount of rupees 3,999. I won't tell their teaching is bad. Their teaching is top notch. I was enrolled into one of their other courses, which prices like 20,000 plus, which our college has personally enrolled us into. Their teaching is best, but the price at which they are offering is very too expensive, I can say. Not everyone can afford this. Just I want to compare with our pricing. And also, this is about DSA. This is about basics of DSA. We'll teach more than this. We'll teach more than this. We'll teach 100 plus questions in interview asked, which are interview asked, right? It was about DSA. Apart from this, we are going to also have the classes on web development or data science. Data science with Python is one of the internship plus training of 2 months, and web development is another 2 months of training. The other company is offering this at 2,699 plus GST, which approximately becomes like 3,000, 3,200. So this 4,000 plus 3,200, two different courses, 1 month and 2 months. Instead of going for multiple things, we are offering you one technology, projects, DSA, interview preparation at one place, and the price is much lesser than this. Can you guess what's the price? Let's get to it. So the other companies are offering for like 4,000 plus 3,000 and so on, but we are offering one technology of web development or data science plus all the things which we have mentioned, 50 hours plus live classes and lifetime recording as well. That's very important. Lifetime, if you in case miss any session or do you have any exams, you are unable to attend the session, but still you'll get the recorded session for you in our LMS, intern calls LMS portal. I'll show you that as well. And again, then 100 plus DSA questions, internship certificate of the technology, where you have to complete the project, only then you'll get that internship certificate. And then interview preparation, as I have said you, what are the interview questions asked in DBMS, SQL, OOPS, resume building, all of these. So all of these we offer at just price of 1499. The original price is actually 2499, but now an early bird offer is going on. For the only 100 people we have these seats. We don't want bulk of orders. We only want to focus on a core students who are very eager to learn. That's why only 100 seats are there, in which already 50 are reserved. So if you want to get into it, be fast. I'll give you the link at the end of this video. Fill the Google form and register your seat first. Now coming to the concepts of this, there are two programs. One is the horizon of web development and another is the horizon of data science. Other things are same as it is. When it comes to DSA, DBMS, SQL, object-oriented programming, resume building, HR questions, all of those are similar in this prep program, and this only interview prep program. The only thing which differs here is web development and data science. Based on your interest, field of interest, you can select or opt in any of the two. Now, if you are already aware of technology and you don't want to learn anything from scratch again, then there is interview preparation program for you, where you'll get great valuable insights of all which we have discussed. We'll learn everything with different resources, and I'll deal with the classes of this interview prep program in all the three as well. So you can enroll in this. The price of this is only 999. Okay. Again, a few people you may be wondering, okay, what if we run away with your money? What if we don't deliver on what you are asking and all of those? For them to win your trust, we have two things. We are dividing this 1499 or 99 amount into two categories, two installments. The first installment is only 500 rupees. Pay this 500 rupees and register your seat. Pay this 500 rupees amount and register your seat, and another 1000 rupees of amount or 999 of amount, whatever it is, we are collecting after 1 month of the program, so that you are satisfied enough to pay us the remaining or outstanding amount. First of all, just pay 500 rupees, reserve your seat, join the WhatsApp group. We'll contact you through email. We'll share all the resources, all the links, and our LMS portal link as well on with you. Again, I'll show you the dashboard of our website, where you'll get the access of all the videos. So yeah, this is our LMS portal, InternCall's official website, in which we'll have different courses and different recording sessions as well. For example, if you have enrolled into data science or some other whichever course you want to, you'll have some tile like this, where will give you some unique ID. After entering that unique ID only, you'll get the access. It's not for everyone. So for the people who enroll, only they will get this unique for everyone. Okay. For example, this is our Python Mastery Bootcamp, which we have recently conducted. We have given the lifetime access of recording sessions for all the students. What do you mean by this? Coming to this interncall.com website, you can sign in and watch these videos anytime and as many times as you want to watch. For example, you have enrolled into interview preparation, and we have discussed about searching and sorting algorithms in one day. Due to your examination or semester examination, you are now unable to attend the session. But if you want to listen to that class, you can log into our interncall.com LMS portal, that is Learning Management System portal, and you can easily watch the video n number of times. Or you have attended the class but you have doubts, you want to rewatch the video, then definitely you have that access as well. So do not worry, your recordings you will get it in our interncall.com. Now coming back to the course, I'll just brief up everything and we'll end this video very quickly. So yeah, as we have discussed, we have checkbox or ticked all of these boxes. One programming language like Python or any other, whichever you are comfortable with, which you have to learn personally. And then one technology, be it web development or data science, you will have 2 months of training along with assignments and projects, so that these things are completed. Now coming to DSA, as I have pointed out, we'll get 100 plus DSA questions in the interview prep program, that is attached with all the three. And DBMS, SQL and object-oriented programming will personally discuss all the interview questions to help you crack the technical interview. Also, we'll have one workshop on resume building. We'll see what are the good resumes and what are bad resumes. You can say it is one-stop destination for your placement preparation along with internship. For the 2025 batch students, or who are in the third year or second year, for the people who are looking for internships as well, you can submit this internship certificate for your college as well, if they accept, that's totally up to them. But this will definitely boost your confidence, boost your skills, and boost your resume. This interview prep program along with InternCall's internship at only 1499 rupees will help you boost your resume and start your career with IT sector. That's it, everyone. Now coming to the registration thing, I repeat, only 100 seats, in which only 50 are left now. So I suggest you register very quickly. The registration form will be in the description box if you're watching in YouTube. in the bio if you are watching in Instagram, and also attached with the WhatsApp video. If you are watching this on WhatsApp, we'll attach the registration form in it. I suggest you share this with your friends and register as early as possible before the offer exhausts. Bye everyone. See you at the course. Excited for this.